Assalamu alaikum, guys. How are you? Good morning. Have a nice day. Good day. So, guys, okay, guys, today we have got project name RCADE, and this project time is very short. Get.io have gave a project RCADE, and this project lasted 2 days. Okay, I will try, and I have doing this project. Okay, we are starting our work, and we get more informations and get more discuss in project new project launch pool. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is our airdrop, sorry, airdrop, and we are I'm starting this work. Gate will immediately list RCADE network, RCADE spot trading, and launch hodler airdrop. uh, UTC, sorry, time 8871 2025, and 1:38:08 UTC time, 21:163 views. Okay. Gate will immediately list RCADE network, RCADE, and offer a limited time hodler airdrop. User holding at least 1 GT can share 96 hundred thousand RCAD tokens for free. The hodler airdrop is exclusively for GT hodlers. After the RCADE network RCADE airdrop concludes, no funds will be deducted from participants. Okay. First of all, welcome to all join my live stream. All members, thank you so much. Welcome everyone. Join no hodler airdrop, RCADE. Extractor, more information, extractor, and official websites, FAQ, and more discuss. Here, total airdrop 9600,000 RCADE, and participants 11,824 per GT, 1.56 RCADE, and individual participation cap 5,000 GT. Ends in ends time 4 hours 34 minutes. Okay, and beginners increase GT. Within the individual participation cap, the more GT you have, the more airdrops you will receive. And project introduction. uh, Project introductions. The RACET network is a decentralized blockchain ratifying media, entertainment, and gaming. REST is bringing digital entertainment on chains in a alliance with revolving games. RG, a multi studio games publishers whose titles are already live on the App Store and Google Play, with more media partners to follow, with 700,000 plus um, 700,000 in plus install cross for launched title. For launched titles, 40,000 plus playing customers across the gaming ecosystem, and 50 and plus total capital raised from traditional funding and community spend cross in structures and in game revenue. RCADE is set to power its next uh, uh, RECAT is asset or forward its next phase of growth through game publishing. Okay, and founder name is Amar CEO, uh, Shian, president of CEO, president of studios, and produced, collaborated with, and on the revenues. Um, Renowned gaming studios including EA Tech, 2K, Scopely, and others. They have also worked on iconic game including Fruit uh, Ninja, Silma, Three Stick Cricket, Mafia, and others. And next, highlight vision. Highlight Vision, the Recare Network is a decentralized blockchain redefining media, entertainment, and gaming. RCADE is bringing digital entertainment on chains in alliance with the revolving game RG, a multi-studio game publishers whose titles are already live on the App Store and Google Play, with more media partner to follow. Uh, with 700,000 plus in install cross for launch titles, 40,000 plus paying customers across the gaming ecosystems, and 50 per 15 50 dollars and plus total capital raised from traditional funding and community spend cross infrastructure, and in game even your RCAT is sell to power its next phase of growth through game publishing. Next, token economics. Token economics, the RCADE. Okay, guys, welcome to all members. Join my live stream. Thank you so much. Token economics, the RCADE tokens acts of the designated gas token, facilitating transactions on the RCADE chain. um, RCADE utility is expected to extend into several key areas, particularly emphasizing government's fee management and incentivizations. Machines RCADE will also act as the payment mechanisms within the RCADE ecosystem, accepted payment for games, in game items in game stores, and integrated marketing marketplace. Okay, a technical overview. Technical overview, bullet on high performance blockchains and infrastructures powered by Arbitrum's Caliteria and its fellow. The RCADE network ensures fast flow, cost, and decentralized gameplay with no middleman or centralized control. From discovering new games and activating reward to powering decentralized infrastructures via RCADE nodes. RCADE folds every layers of the new players powered futures. Okay, guys. Highlight visions. RCADE node reward 37%. 30 RCADE node reward 37%, release 2.6% at TGE or 0 minus monthly 36 month visiting advisors 4%, 0 minus monthly 12 months visiting and investors preset 5%, 12 monthly 12 months visiting investor bids from 0.5%, released 50% at TGE 12 months clipped 0 months visiting investors at 6.9%, released 10% at TGE 6 month clip 12 month visiting investor strategic 0.54%, release 5%. um, for 24 months visiting airdrops and players in incentives 90.38%, release 53.56% at TGE 0 months clip 6 months visiting truly 3.85%, 0 point month 0 month clip 48 month visiting ecosystem growth 3.85%, 0 month cliff 48 months wasting. Okay, and ecosystem growth 2.95 to 95%, release 25% at TGE 0 months cliff 48 month wasting, liquidity 3%, release 100% at TGE. Risk warning. Risk reminder. The trading market for this currency may experience significant fluctuations due to technicals, legal, regulatory, and other factors. Please thoroughly understand the project details and conduct sufficient market research before participating. Gate.io cannot guarantee at the same that the currency will be listed on the exchange. The final by participating in the project, you accept your airdrop terms and conditions. FAQ: how to How to participate in the hodler airdrop? As long as your GT holding in gate account is no less than one, you can participate and receive airdrop without locking or stacking GT. Which accounts GT holding will be included in the calculations. Total GT holding in unified account, support account, isolated margin account, copy trading account, boost account, a financial account, and payment account. However, GT in crypto, loan, and GT2 are excluded. How is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the systems will track your GT holding, taking multiple random snapshots every hour to calculate your average hourly holding. Your final reward is based on your average holding during the initial project period. If you are average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Final token received. Your average yearly holdings. All participant average yearly holding multiple total airdrop amount. What is per GT? What is per GT? Per GT is an estimated value indicating the number of airdrop tokens you could receive by participating in the hodler airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it united the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holding of all participants and is updated hourly. Why are my holding account counted differently cross projected? The system uses random snapshots to calculate your average hourly holding depending on when you join each project. The calculated average holding may vary. In theory, if your holding amount remain constant, you averaging hourly holding should be the same across all projects you participate in. What is the individual participation cap? Different projects have different individual participations limits. You can check the details page of the event announcement for more information. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same? You can participate in multiple projects, okay? And how will the airdrop reward distributed? Uh, the airdrop will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check anytime launch pool hodler airdrop participation history. Sorry, how will the airdrop reward be distributed? The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check it anytime in Launchpool hodler airdrop participation history. Okay. Airdrop details. Airdrop details. Hodler airdrop ends time July 2025, year 11 UTC. Total supply 9600,000 RCADE. Unlocking rules 100% unlock. Trading starts 9 July 2025 at 30 UTC. Trading pairs RCADE USDT. Participation rules complete identity verifications and hold at least one GT to share the total rewards pool based on your GT holdings. Snapshots per proportions. The maximum participations limit for each users in this event is 5,000 GT. How to claim airdrop? How to claim the airdrop? Login and complete identity verification. Identity verification, go to launch pool and select hodler airdrop, at least 1 GT, click join now, hodler airdrop FAQ. Launch pool, quick stacking errand, potential, new tokens 307.1 M stacked and 27.21 B funds raised and 5.71 M participants 551.7K estimated total reward. About Launchpool FAQ. What is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stack their assets, provide liquidity to earn reward in new projects. Tokens user can lock specified tokens in the Launchpool to receive corresponding project tokens reward. Join Launchpool. No. Question number two: how can I participate in Launchpool? First, log into your Gate account and navigate to the Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stack your assets. Which coins can I stack in Launchpool? The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Launchpool to view more details. How many tokens will be rewards? Hourly stacking rewards individual attached one hour with valid stacking amount. Total pool stacking amounts. Hourly rewards pool system will take snapshots of individual stacking amount each hour and take the average as the valid stacking amount. How are reward distributed? System will take snapshots of individual stacking amounts and distribute tokens reward to eligible user. Hourly earning will be distributed into users' support accounts. How are reward distributed? System will take snapshots of individual stacking amounts and distribute token reward to eligible user. Hourly earning will be distributed into user support account. When will the stacked assets be redeemed? After the user redeem in the advance or the stacking is completed, the stacked assets will be transferred to simple layer by default. If this option is unchecked, the stacked assets will be redeemed into spot assets if the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum subscriptions amount of simple errands, the assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. तो दुकान में बैठा रहेगा। If the amount of redeemed access too small and does not meet the minimum subscription amount of simple errands, the access will be automatically transferred to sport access. If the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum subscription amounts of simple returns, the assets will be automatically transferred. Uh, some network issue. So I'm sorry, everyone. We are starting once again. So guys, I have discussed about Launchpool FAQ. So I repeat 5 questions. Question number 5: how are reward distributed? System will take snapshots of individual stacking amounts and distribute tokens reward to eligible user. Hourly earning will be distributed into user spot accounts. When will the stack assets be redeemed? After the user redeem in advance of the stacking completed, the stack assets will be transferred to simple errand by default. If the option is unchecked, the stacking assets stacked assets will be redeemed into spot assets if the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum subscriptions amounts of simple errors, the assets will be automatically transferred to spot assets. If simple error does not support the subscriptions of the redeemed tokens, the assets will also be automatically transferred to spot assets. Question number 7: can I redeem my stacked assets at any time? The system will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stacking amounts. However, early redemption may result in the loss of accrued reward. Please mention stable stacking amount to ensure mining reward. Question number 8: can I add additional stack assets? You can increase your stacked assets at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stacking rewards. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on the same time, you can stack in different pools to receive new tokens mining reward for multiple projects. Each stacking pools needs to be stacked separately. If you only stacked assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain from reward from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward. Question number 10: what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hodler airdrop hard cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stacking reward will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement. And the relevant announcements of the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. Question number 11: well stacking assets in the launch pool impact my VIP levels. No assets stacked in gate launch pool will be included in the assets holding calculations for hodler airdrop, launchpad, and VIP privilege. Okay, select hodler airdrop and hold at GT at least 1 GT. Click join now and hodler airdrop FAQ. Hodler airdrop FAQ updates 6 date 26 month 27 day 2025 and view 33550 views about hodler airdrop. What is the hodler airdrop? Question number 1: what is the hodler airdrop? Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT token. uh, About hodler airdrop, question number one: what is the hodler airdrop? Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT Git token hodlers. Users only need to hold a certain amount of GT to share airdrop token based on their holding proportions. And question number two: what are the requirements to participate in the hodler airdrop? Question number: what are the requirements to participate in the hodler airdrop? Participate must complete identity verifications and hold at least one GT. Question number three: what is the GT holding participation limit? The GT holding participations limit may vary for each project. The specified limit will be clearly started in each project airdrop announcement. And question number four: how are airdrop token uh, how are airdrop token distributed? Once you participate in the event, the system will begin tracking your GT holding from the start of the projects. It will take multiple and multiple random snapshots every hour and calculate the hourly average. Your final reward depends on your average holding without the interment. If you average holding are below 1 GT, you will not be eligible for any reward. And the number of tokens a user ultimately receive. User average holding during the event. All participants total average holding during the events multiple total airdrop amount. Question number five: can I participate in multiple hodler airdrop? Yes, as long as you hold enough GT at each project's snapshots time and meet the participation's requirements. You can participate in multiple hodler airdrop. Question number six: well, I definitely receive tokens if I participate. User holding at least 1 GT can 100% receive the airdrop provided the mentions at least 1 GT at the snapshot's time. Question number seven: how can I check my airdrop tokens? Reward will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check them anytime under Aaron Hodler airdrop history. Question number eight: what should I do if I have not received my airdrop tokens? If you don't receive airdrop tokens, please first check your GT holding at the snapshots time. If this issue persists, please contact customer support. Next, about RCADE network, RACDE, RCADE. The RCADE network is a decentralized blockchain redefining media, entertainment, and gaming. RCADE is bringing digital entertainment on chain in aliens with RCAD is bring a digital entertainment on chains in aliens with revolving games. RG. multi-studio games publishers whose title are already live on the app store and Google Play, with more media partners to follow, with 700,000 plus installs across for launched titles, 40,000 plus paying customers across the gaming ecosystems, and 50 plus total capital raised from traditional funding and communities spent across infrastructures and in-game revenue. RCADE is sent to power its next phase of growth through game publishing. And token name RCADE network token sample RCADE is max supply 40 billions, and token type for ARB token ID. This is a token ID, and token distributions RATO and unlocking rules RCADE node reward 37%, release 2.6% at TGE 0 month cliffs, 36-month visiting advisors 4%, 0 month cliff, 12-month visiting investor preset 5%, 12-month clipped, and 12-month visiting investor breeds 0.5%, released 50% at TGE, 12-month clips, 0 month visiting investor seed 6.9%, released, and percents at TGE, 6-month clip, 12-month visiting vesting investor seat 6.9%, released, and percents at TGE, 6 month clip, 12 months vesting investor strategies 0.4%, released, 5% at TGE, 6 month clip, 12-month vesting vesting, and team 12%, 12 months clip for 24 months vesting airdrop and players incentives 90.38%, release 53.56% at TGE, 0 month clip, 6 month vesting launch contributors 4.67%, release 100% at TGE, truly 3.85%, 0 month clip to 48 um, month visiting ecosystem growth 2.95%, release 25% at TGE, 0 month clip 48-month visiting liquidate 3%, release 100% at TGE, and website. Thanks to all members join my live stream. How are you today? Good morning and have a nice day. It is not open this time, but I don't know why. We are starting our next work. GitLab investment disclosure, and GitLabs did not uh, invest in RCATE network, RCATE node, and GitLab's investment disclosure. GitLabs did not invest in RCADE network, RCADE. Notice number one: Gate token GT is the unique exchange tokens of Gate exchange and the native token to the Gate chain public chain hold GT no. And this is GT tokens trading. GT gate tokens and total amount 60.189 percentage plus 0.6 hundred plus 3.84% and 24 horse high and low price 60.300 high price and 15.405 low price and 24 horse volume GT 196.04k and today 1 minute candle average price on GT token 60.199. Please complete number two. Please complete identity verifications before participating in startup to enhance the security of your account and assist. And notes number three. Please adheres to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior in prohibited and occurrences of any dishonesty will result in the uh, disqualifications of the reward. And question number four, where any discrepancy arises between the translated and original English version, the English version shall prevail. Number five, get resources are right to the final explanations. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including participating in this event, game or competition. See the user agreement for the details of recent location. Number five, get reservices are right to the final explanation. And number six, users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, including participating in this event, game or competitions. See the use agreement for further details on restricted location. And last, risk warning. Risk warning number one, the Hodler airdrop project is a blockchain startup and is still in its early stage. The project operation, underlying technology, and legal involvement may pose significant risk. And risk warning number two, the project team does not guarantee that the token's price will not be lower than its sale price. Please invest with quotations and don't invest by one. Uh, and don't invest by what your financial capacity. The Hodler Drop project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operations and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the entertainment risk of crypto as asset investment. Okay, the Hodler Airdrop project blockchain startup and is still in its early stage. The project operations, underlying technology, and legal involvement may pose significant risk. Number two, the project team does not guarantee that the token price will not be lower than its sale price. Please invest with quotations and do not invest by one your financial capacity. The Hodler airdrop project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operations and underlying technology of the project and other related sorry the project team does not guarantee that the token price will not be lower than its sale price. Please invest the quotations and do not invest by one the financial capacity. Question number three. The Hodler airdrop project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. And number four, advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto assets investment. The market volatility high and the price of a tokens might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and market factors. Getty, 8 July 2025, and gateway to crypto trade over 3600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. And take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friends and earn 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app one desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insight, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of reservices. Welcome to join my live stream on Moonlight and CoinDetermine is Alvarza and Get User and many other members. Welcome to all members. Join my live stream. Thank you so much and good afternoon. Token raised uh, RCADE. And overview, max total supply 40 billions RCAD, hodlers 25 total, trans total transfer. Okay, market price 0.00 and on chain market cap, on-chain market cap and circulating supply, marketing, other infos and contract with 18 emails. A token representations of an on-chain of a chain assets. The token page shows information such as price, total supply, hodler transfer, and social link. Learn about the page in our knowledge. Okay, powered by our Arbitrum once RB scans in block explorers and an Elastic's platform from Arbitrum company, brand, and community. Um, determines wealth. Website is not open, but I don't know why. I try again to again, but not open. Okay. Everyone, welcome to my live stream. Sakaifal, Gate User, Alwarsubs, and A9999 Vacancy, and Muyang Quan Chang. Welcome everyone. Okay, guys, I have completed the project and thanks to our member, they are support me and I have working in project, but project time is ended. Okay, see you attack. I will again come back because other we are doing working in other projecting. So that Allah Hafiz and take care, everyone. Bye bye.